Hi there. Ready to practice talking about the weather?
Absolutely. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice.
What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm, perfect for a walk. It's sunny and warm, perfect for a walk.
Is it going to rain later? Is it going to rain later?
Yes, the forecast says thunderstorms this afternoon. Yes, the forecast says thunderstorms this afternoon.
It's freezing outside. It's freezing outside.
I know. I should have worn a thicker jacket. I know. I should have worn a thicker jacket.
How's the weather in your city right now? How's the weather in your city right now?
It's cloudy with a light breeze. Quite pleasant. It's cloudy with a light breeze. Quite pleasant.
Looks like it's going to snow soon. Looks like it's going to snow soon.
Really? I hope it doesn't cancel my plans. Really? I hope it doesn't cancel my plans.
It's so humid today. I'm sweating just standing still. It's so humid today. I'm sweating just standing still.
Same here. Let's go somewhere with AC. Same here. Let's go somewhere with AC.
The sun is so bright. I need sunglasses. The sun is so bright. I need sunglasses.
Me too. Don't forget sunscreen as well. Me too. Don't forget sunscreen as well.
Did you hear about the heat wave next week? Did you hear about the heat wave next week?
Yes, temperatures will hit 38 degrees Celsius. Yes, temperatures will hit 38 degrees Celsius.
It's been raining nonstop for 3 days. It's been raining nonstop for 3 days.
I miss the sunshine. My clothes won't dry. I miss the sunshine. My clothes won't dry.
What's the temperature right now? What's the temperature right now?
It's 22 degrees Celsius. Pretty mild. It's 22 degrees Celsius. Pretty mild.
I love autumn. The leaves are so colorful. I love autumn. The leaves are so colorful.
Me too. And the air feels so fresh. Me too. And the air feels so fresh.
Summer is my favorite season. How about you? Summer is my favorite season. How about you?
I prefer winter. I love snowboarding. I prefer winter. I love snowboarding.
The wind is so strong today. The wind is so strong today.
Yeah, I almost lost my hat. Yeah, I almost lost my hat.
It's a beautiful day. Clear blue sky. It's a beautiful day. Clear blue sky.
Perfect weather for a picnic. Perfect weather for a picnic.
Do you like rainy days? Do you like rainy days?
Only if I'm indoors with a good book. Only if I'm indoors with a good book.
They say it'll be foggy tomorrow morning. They say it'll be foggy tomorrow morning.
Oh no, I hope my flight isn't delayed. Oh no, I hope my flight isn't delayed.
This weather is terrible for driving. This weather is terrible for driving.
Agreed. The roads are slippery from the rain. Agreed. The roads are slippery from the rain.
Spring has finally arrived. Flowers are blooming. Spring has finally arrived. Flowers are blooming.
And the birds are singing again. So peaceful. And the birds are singing again. So peaceful.
I can't stand this cold. It's unbearable. I can't stand this cold. It's unbearable.
Try hot chocolate. It always warms me up. Try hot chocolate. It always warms me up.
What's the weather usually like in July? What's the weather usually like in July?
Hot and dry. Great for beach trips. Hot and dry. Great for beach trips.
Great job practicing weather English today.
If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson.